Alright, next. Heavy down there. Ooh, good parts. More heavyweight stuff. Cast iron. Actually cast steel. There's another one. Sportster K model rear motor mounts. So this is correct. This is butchered. So they cut this off right here to run on an electric start bike, 67 and up. This is from 52 to 61. Sportster went to aluminum parts in 62, so these went to 62. They went to aluminum. This is the metal one. So all the XLCH bikes in the 60s had this 4-bolt mount. When they came out of electric start, they needed room for the starter motor, so they shortened it up a little bit. So these are steel ones, which is what I use on my race bikes. These are threaded in, no inserts. They're made a lot stronger, so instead of buying a heavy-duty billet style pingle mount that looks like crap, you buy one of these that actually fit and they're cheaper. You can buy these less than what those pingle mounts cost. They're getting about the same price these days. They're getting expensive, but they're pretty good. So 52 through all the way up through 61 should be the same mount. I'm trying to think if they had a 58 number in here. Did they have a 58 number? They might have a 58 number up in here in the aluminum ones, which would make them 58. And I'm thinking about it. But anyway, these are good. Being I got Harley junk laying around here, there's more mounts up here. So if in doubt, go look up here in your welding tools. Oh, there's welding tools right here. So there's your electric start version, 67. So I'm looking for a 4-bolt mount. Whoa, crushing some blocks I'm standing on. Let's see, it's 4-bolt. That's a tall one right there. I feel a good one. There's one right there. I think I'm crushing that box. They're eBay crap. It's a little bit thinner on that one side now. Okay, so these are the other two mounts. Okay, so 67 is when they went to this, which electric start. I already knew that. So somebody cut this one here to fit in that application. And then this one here, 58 is when they changed. Okay, I was wrong. 58 is when they changed the mount. Thought they did a little bit later. Okay. So 58 is when they changed aluminum from cast iron, or cast steel. So for 57 Sportster they would have used this, and then in 58 they came out with this one. And they used this one all the way through 69, and on the XLCH, and then in 67 when the XL and XLH came out with this electric start, they came out with this one. They changed the cases, the frame, and primary and a bunch of other stuff. So when they went to electric start. But for 67, 68, and 69 XLCH, they used the early style oval case bike and continued on with the early motor for a couple years. So there you go. So anyway, I like these because they're nice and heavy duty. And my race motor's back there somewhere, and it's got one of these on there. Even though it's a late motor, I made it work. Alright, there you go. Sportster motor mounts.